Welcome back. Last time we learned how life works. Today we're taking a closer look at the most important card type in Realm of Shadows, creature cards. These are the cards you'll use to attack, defend, and control the battlefield. Every deck is built around the creatures you choose to bring into battle. The card's name identifies the creature. Its attribute may interact with certain card effects. The type tells you what kind of creature it is. Every creature has its own unique artwork and identity. All creatures have special abilities. The attack stat determines how powerful a creature is in battle. Defense helps determine how well a creature can protect itself. And finally, every card also has its own collection number. To use a creature card, you'll play it onto one of your 3 creature zones. Once played, it becomes part of your board and is ready to participate in the game. Creatures are your main way of protecting your life and putting pressure on your opponent. Choosing when and which creatures to keep on the board is an important part of every game. No 2 creatures are exactly alike. Some rely on raw power, others have powerful abilities. Building a deck is all about finding the creatures that fit your strategy. Now that you know what creature cards are, it's time to learn how a game actually begins. In the next lesson, I'll walk you through your very first turn. I'll see you there.